Hello, today we are going to discuss about two different variant of topics under inserting the missing number from number series. So let's get started with the first one, that is increasing order multiplication and same number addition series. Increasing order multiplication and same number addition series. Okay. In this type of series, each previous element is multiplied respectively by numbers in increasing order, and then a certain number is added in such multiplications to obtain the next element. Each previous element is multiplied respectively by numbers in increasing order, and then a certain number is added in such multiplications to obtain the next element. Now we try to understand this concept with an example. So let's get started with this example. Suppose we are given a series that is 3, 6, 15, 48, 195, and we need to find the last digit of this series. Okay. Now you can see that in the given series, each previous element is multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 respectively, and then 3 is added in such multiplication to obtain the next element. That is the first element 3, and we multiplied 1 with 3 and then add 3 to it, therefore we get 6. For the next, we multiplied 2 with 6 and then add 3, therefore we get 50. Similarly, after this we multiplied 3 with 15 and then add 3, therefore we get 48. Similarly, if we multiply 4 with 48 then add 3, therefore we get 195. Hence, it is pretty much obvious that we are to multiply 5 with 195 and then add 3, therefore the required answer is 978. Okay, now let's jump to the next one. Now the next topic is increasing order multiplication and increasing order addition series. Multiplication and increasing order addition series. Okay. In this type of series, the previous elements are multiplied respectively by numbers. Let me take another color here. Okay. In this type of series, the previous elements are multiplied respectively by numbers in increasing order and then numbers in increasing order are respectively and then numbers in increasing order are respectively added. In such multiplications to obtain the next element. Now we try to understand this with an example. Okay. Suppose we are given one series that is 4, 5, 12, 39, 160, and then we need to find the last term of this series. As we can see that, let me take another color here. As we can see this, in this given series, we multiplied 1 with 4, then add 1. Therefore, we get 5 as answer. After this, we multiplied 2 with 5, then add 2. Therefore, we get 12 here. Then we multiply 3 with 12, then add 3. Then we get 39. After this, we multiplied 4 with 39, then add 4. Therefore, we get 160. And after this, obviously, we multiplied 5 with 160, then add 5, and we get 805, which is our required answer. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.